Hello guys, welcome back to another video. We're working on the BMW E60 5 Series today, and we're going to be making the alloy wheels look a bit better. Now, what are we going to be doing? It's no surprise. We're going to be swapping out the center caps and the M badges. Now, why am I doing this? Now, I know I had my wheels refurbished about probably best part of a year ago now, and I just stuck the original center caps back into the wheels, and then I think I just got some cheap eBay M badges and put them on, and for like, you know, a couple of months they were fine, but the M badges, they have faded, and yeah, so they need replacing. And I've noticed the center caps themselves, they've become very loose and they rattle around. When I notice when I'm driving at a low speed, they rattle around. It's very annoying. And I noticed that they don't look as good, and they are definitely not a proper fit. So I know for sure that they are not legit BMW ones. So today I'm going to be swapping out for some genuine OEM BMW ones. And I actually have a new fake one and I have a new genuine BMW one. So I'm going to show you the difference right now. So then, here is the difference in packaging for starters. So this is the genuine BMW one. Now, as you can see, it has a genuine BMW sticker on. Here is the fake one. Now, there are a lot of sellers out there on eBay, on Amazon, who say that these center caps, these fake ones, are in fact genuine. They are not. They may have a genuine BMW badge on the back, but they are simply just copied from the factory OEM ones. Now let's open both of these up and let's have a look at the differences with the badges themselves. Okay, so here we have the two badges then. This one here is the fake cheap Chinese one. This one here is the genuine BMW one. Now, looking from the front, you really wouldn't know any difference, but turn them around and you can see one is grey, the other is black. If it's genuine BMW, it will be black, and a fake one will more than likely be grey. But I believe there is still some fake ones that are black, but you'll know straight away if it's fake, because the BMW emblem is literally just like a piece of card with these tabs on. So I'm guessing that this is just like a generic sort of center cap, and they can sort of, you know, change the brand or whatever by just sticking a different piece of card on. But yeah, the genuine BMW one is not like that. So it's definitely worth paying the extra money. I know these are pretty expensive for what they are, but they are going to last 10 times longer, and you know, they're not going to be loose. You're not going to have any fitment issues. So you're just better off paying to get the genuine BMW ones. And that goes for the M badges as well. As you can see, these are genuine BMW, and these are very expensive for what they are. But again, you know, if you want, you know, some badges that are going to last, that are not going to fade within a couple of months, you really have to go genuine BMW. Now, when it comes to buying genuine BMW parts, sometimes I go to the dealership and other times I use fixed parts online. If you want to check them out, I will leave some links down in the description box below. But without further ado, let's get outside and let's get these installed into the car. Okay, so when it comes to replacing the center caps and the M badges, you may think, oh well, you can just, you know, sort of pry this out while the wheel is on the car, right? No, please do not do this. If you try and use a screwdriver in there, you're only going to damage your wheel. Please just take the time. It's only going to take 5 minutes to get the car up in the air. Take the wheel off and then remove it from the back. You're going to save your alloy wheel, and it's going to make the job a whole lot easier. Okay, so we have the first wheel off. I'm going to try and remove the M badge first. There we are. You can just see how faded this is. Just going to give it a clean. If we get our new M badges, and now which way around do we install these? Do we have the bottom facing outwards or inwards? I would say outwards, and then I would have the badge basically spun all the way around. Yeah, I think that's how I had it before. So I'd have it like that. The M badge. Okay, here goes. And now we can pop the center cap out. You can just kind of hear how loose this thing is. Look, you can spin it all the way around. Let's pop it out. Yep, as you can see, this is just a cheap Chinese one. It's grey on the back, like I said. Let's just give this a quick wipe out. Now if we get our new genuine BMW center cap, let's try and line it up with the M badge. Perfect. Okay then, let's get the wheel back on. How much better does that look now? So good. And now let's do the same with all of the other wheels. Okay then, so I've went ahead and done the same to all 4 wheels now. Looks so much better, doesn't it? So much cleaner. Just a quick comparison, this is the new center caps. This is what the originals look like. These are definitely needed changing. It's nice to know we have some genuine M badges now as well. They should last so much longer. Okay then guys, so there we go, job done. Center caps and M badges replaced, and the wheels look so much better now. If you have not already done this and your wheels have aftermarket or fake BMW center caps and M badges on, then yeah, I'd highly recommend replacing it. I'm just looking forward to driving now and not having the rattle of the center caps moving around. Like the genuine BMW ones, once they're in, they are solid, they are not going anywhere. Yeah, it is a quick, easy job you can do. You literally get the car up in the air, get the wheels off, and remove the center caps and badges, and yeah, pretty much good to go. But yeah, if you do want to check out Fix Parts Online, it's pretty much where I get the majority of my genuine BMW parts from. There will be some links down in the description box below, like I said. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and we'll see you all in that next one. Peace!